After my divorce, I dipped my toes back into the dating world, mostly through dating apps, but nothing ever really clicked. Every connection felt forced, awkward, or just off. It was frustrating, and honestly, I was beginning to lose hope that I'd find anything real again. One day, I won a pair of tickets to a rock concert through a local radio station I always listened to. I didn't have anyone to go with, but I loved the band and didn't want to miss out. So I decided I'd go solo, have a few drinks, enjoy the music, and just grab an Uber home afterward. When my ride showed up, the driver was this stunning woman, probably about 10 years younger than me, with long dreads and this vibrant, magnetic energy. She was absolutely gorgeous. But more than that, the moment we started talking, it felt like we'd known each other in another life. We hit it off instantly. As it turned out, she loved the band I was going to see. On a whim, I asked her if she wanted to join me. To my surprise, she said yes. We had an incredible night. She didn't drink, but we laughed, danced, and lost ourselves in the music. After the show, instead of heading home, we went back to her place. That night marked the beginning of a whirlwind of amazing dates and unforgettable moments. For about a month, it felt like I was living in some kind of dream. Then, out of nowhere, everything changed. She was hit by a drunk driver and killed. It's been almost 10 years, and I still think about her. I still mourn her. That short time we had was one of the most real and beautiful connections I've ever experienced. Even now, she crosses my mind more than I can explain, like a song you never forget, no matter how long it's been since you last heard it.